Hello, this is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh. Weather, I forgot to mention last video. Fluffy came upstairs, did not come to see me. Went and ate dry food under the chair and went back down the stairs. And I got to get to see my baby boy being silly. Alright, this is Burgh Unboxing. And I got this today from the wilds of, oh my God, Albuquerque. So, here we go. Alright, open it up. I didn't pay that much for this, and this took a while to get here. So, here we go. More paper than the item. All paper. Alright, I saw this. I got it really cheap. I couldn't resist it. This is salt and pepper. And what else would I get but gray aliens or white aliens, or maybe they look a little blue, but I can't tell the difference right now in my eyes. So I know one on pepper things, one is 2 dots and one is 3 dots, but I've never remembered which one it is. But these will go on the paranormal bookshelf once I weigh them down with salt or pepper. Alright, that's it. This is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh with Burgh Unboxing. Have a great night. Stay warm or dry or cool or all of the above wherever you are, and most of all, stay safe. Safe. Don't talk well when I'm dry and hot myself. It's 70 something here, 79, 73. It's 79 where Kathy is. And she's feeling much better, by the way. She had a bad migraine this morning. All right, my knee's better too, by the way. Lying down, I finally said, the hell, I just decided to go out. So the kitties got left dry food, and in a little while I will go feed them their wet food. Have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow night. I don't know, 5 maybe. All right, this is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.